In recent developments, the term ruby red has been making waves across various industries, each bringing its unique flair to this captivating hue. Let's delve into the latest updates and news surrounding ruby red in 2025. Automotive enthusiasts have something to look forward to with the 2025 Ford Bronco. The iconic SUV is introducing a new color option, ruby red metallic tinted Clearcoat. This deep red shade adds a touch of elegance and boldness to the vehicle's rugged design. Available for an additional $495, and this color can be selected for most trims, excluding the Strop Special Edition and Outer Banks. It's a testament to Ford's commitment to offering diverse and appealing choices for its customers. Site-turn Zero Sarch 6. In the realm of home decor, Behr Paint Company has announced its 2025 color of the year, Rumors. Described as a deep and dynamic ruby red, this shade empowers DIYers, designers, and professionals to create impactful spaces. Research indicates that a significant number of Americans are open to incorporating red into their homes, with accent walls, bedrooms, and front doors being top choices. Rumors offers a modern take on timeless red, aiming to inspire creativity and make bold statements in interior design. Site-turn Zero Sarch 2. The agricultural sector is also embracing ruby red with Zespri's latest offering. The company is set to double the volume of its ruby red kiwifruit this season, making over 3 million trays available. This variety boasts a sweet berry taste, vibrant red flesh, and is rich in antioxidants. The harvest will commence in New Zealand in the coming weeks, with plans to introduce the fruit to new markets, including the United States. Consumers can look forward to this nutritious and flavorful addition to their fruit selection. Site-turn Zero Sarch 1. In the entertainment industry, fans of the Descendants franchise have reason to be excited. A short film titled Shuffle of Love, a Descendants short story, is scheduled to premiere on Disney on February 13, 2025. The short features the song Shuffle of Love from Descendants, the rise of red, and centers on Ruby Rose Turner's portrayal of Bridget, the Queen of Hearts. The cast also includes Malia Baker, Kylie Cantrell, and Morgan Dudley. This release adds depth to the Descendants universe, offering fans a fresh narrative to enjoy. Site-turn Zero Sarch 10. Music enthusiasts have been buzzing since Jennie, a member of the renowned group Blackpink, announced her debut studio album titled Ruby. Set for release on March 7, 2025, the album features collaborations with artists like Childish Gambino and Dua Lipa. The announcement was accompanied by the release of a music video titled Zen on January 25, 2025. To promote the album, Jennie will perform a series of intimate shows, dubbed the Ruby Experience, and is slated to appear at the Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival in April. Site-turn Zero Sarch 11. In the world of collectibles, Barbie enthusiasts have something special to look forward to. Exclusive pictures have surfaced of the Barbie signature Mattel 80th Anniversary Ruby Red Blonde doll, JBJ17. This limited edition doll celebrates Mattel's 80th anniversary, capturing the essence of the ruby red theme. Collectors are eager to add this unique piece to their collections, marking a significant milestone in Barbie's storied history. Site-turn Zero Sarch 4. In summary, ruby red is making a significant impact across various sectors in 2025. From automotive innovations and home decor trends to agricultural products, entertainment releases, musical endeavors, and collectibles, this vibrant hue continues to inspire and captivate audiences worldwide.